Former Puerto Princesa City Mayor Edward Hagedorn is hoping that the COMELEC will approve the recall petition filed by his constituents. The details from Noel Perfecto.
Former Puerto Princesa Mayor Edward Hagedorn is all hopes that the Palaweños' proposed recall will be granted. Speaking before the media men in Manila, Hagedorn said he knows the rule of the law and expressed confidence over the COMELEC, which was assigned to implement the recall proceedings.
Under the law, doon sa ating Republic Act, at sa 1986 Constitution, enshrined po yan sa Section 2 ng Article 9C. Very clear na kailangan pondohan yung recall and other exercises kasama ho ron. And hindi lang ho yan, meron pang special law sa Local Government Code. I think that's Section 75, attorney na po, na nagsasabi, pondohan lahat ng gastos sa recall ng COMELEC.
Hagedorn is currently under the Liberal Party from his former stint at the NPC. The former mayor said the Palaweños themselves filed a recall, proving truth that they are the testaments of the huge change in Puerto Princesa, which is flocked by locals and tourists alike, and are hoping to bring back the city's former luster.
Sanang baliwalayin yung batas dahil lang sa fraternity o dahil lang sa samahan. Imagine yung 40,000 people na pumirma na i-deprive mo ng kanilang rights under the law. Mabuti ako, walang batas yan.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.